IKEA is one step closer to its India debut. The Foreign Investment Promotion Board, or FIPB, has cleared the Swedish furniture company's proposal to open 25 stores across India for an investment of around 10,500 crore rupees. Devdatta Das now joins us with all the latest. Devdatta, what's the next step now for the retailer after the FIPB clearance? What is the other clearance that they're waiting for, and what is the plan ahead?
Well, now this proposal will go to the CCEA, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, for its final nod. Remember, any FDI over 1,200 crore has to get the Cabinet nod before it's implemented, and that's exactly why the IKEA proposal has to go there. IKEA wants to invest as much as 10,500 crore rupees into its Indian venture. Once it steps in, they want to open 25 stores. It has been a long time coming for IKEA. It's a huge step forward. Earlier in 2009, they had to abort their initial plans after the government refused to open up the single brand retail space to about 100% from the then 51%. Later, it was revised to 100%. IKEA has now pulled up its entire final plans, and they have said that they will enter India and will enter India soon. Their team has been coming to India over the past 1 year, very often trying to do recce's of the kind of places that they want to open up their stores in. Also, very importantly, this will be India's largest single brand retail investment to come in a long time. In fact, a big chunk of FDI coming in for India in a long time of gloom that has been following. India has been marred by a lot of allegations of corruption and red tapeism, and this was supposed to be one proposal, if cleared, would have changed India's image as one difficult to do business with. So it's a huge step forward not only for IKEA, it's a huge step forward for the Indian economy, whose perception clearly is changing. A lot of reformatory measures have been announced by the government recently, and now this proposal brings a huge relief for a lot of foreign investors who have been sitting tight in their places and wanting to see how the Indian government plays. The Indian government had actually relaxed norms for 30% mandatory sourcing from SMEs specifically for IKEA. So a lot has been done, and this is clearly a very welcome move for IKEA.